Hey everyone, it's Wendy with your WTR quick rundown on Billie. Marketed as a female-first service, Billie is one of the more popular online shave clubs for women on the market today. Billie offers an excellent starter kit. You can get a razor, refill package, and basic shave and skincare products so you can try the entire lineup. Products other than razors and razor blades are made with quality ingredients and free of potentially problematic chemicals. And you always get free shipping when you place your Billie Blade refill order. However, Billie tries too hard to sell their other products besides razor blade refills. There aren't enough colors to choose from when picking a blade. Less feminine colors are one of the most common requests. Bottom line, when it comes to quality and cost, Billie is a top player in the market for online shave clubs for women, and their free trial kit makes it easy to get started. Please visit watchthereview.com for more in-depth reviews.